In this demo video, I will be showcasing the new ephemeral instances that can be done easily with AliaJS. It's a new feature. So I had a real world experience with a client where he asked for a new system environment in his ERP system, and it took the client weeks to receive the new environment and multiple emails back and forth. So by being a user of erpnext, which is an open source system I've been using for a couple of years now, I wanted to be more agile on this system for myself because I wanted more backups easily, and I wanted to create for myself ephemeral instances. So in this video, I will showcase how to use the command ephemeral, which is just a flag in the AliaJS REST command, which is ephemeral equal true, and then I will be filtering out one operations, which is the backup operations, because I don't want to copy the current production state of the ERP system. Um, so earlier in the day, I prepare myself a use case where I already have the new ephemeral instance that is being created right now in the background because it takes at least 2-3 minutes to create a new instance. So in a real use case, maybe you want to work with your ERP system and not mess up with the current system. So you will have something like uh, a size chart system for a Shopify integration. And instead of creating new doc types that will create some confusion in your production environment for your team, you will spawn a new instance, work on the current development system, and when you're ready, you can merge back your changes into the production system. So a very simple example, I create a size chart, which is an item, a unit, and some size chart values, and a table which can have size chart rows. So if I go to the size chart and I create a new size chart, let's say a funky shirt in centimeters, and then let's use small, and the size chart's value name will be, oh no, that will be size chart value name will be the size, and that will be the chest and the waist. And then let's add a new size chart value, which will be small, and then it will be something like 75, 85, and then that will be something like 85, 95, and then let's be funky with a 30-30 and a 30-30. So that will be they're the funky Homo sapiens values. And let's save the document. So right now, the size chart, the funky shirt appears to be used as an input for a generator of a size chart later on. But if I compare to the current production system, it's not there because those are really two different systems. So by this time, I was explaining all this, I got a new ephemeral instance, and this one got spawned in the time span of this demo, and it's not gonna have as well the new doc types because this one just got created. So you will be able to work as a team with many use cases without conflicting with each other, where you can focus on reviewing the changes later, which is um, a more productive way to focus on iterating on what can be reversible or instead of working on irreversible changes. So let's see, if I type size chart doesn't exist in this ephemeral instance. Size doesn't exist there either. And for the doc type list, size is there. I hope this demo explain what all this is about. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. That will be a pleasure to either help you implement some of these features or explain you how AliaJS works.